All right, for tonight, what I'm gonna do is a simple recipe for turkey soup just from Thanksgiving. It's after Thanksgiving, so what to do with your leftovers. I hate to waste food. So this is gonna be a real basic video, just to show you what to do with this. So first and most important thing is to pour yourself a glass of wine. And this is an Old Soul from Lodi, California, where my mom's from. She always used to call me an Old Soul, so I'll be cheers into that. So cheers. All right, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna cut I'm doing literally like a half of a large onion because I grabbed a big onion at the store. So, this is really all you need. You don't wanna put too much onion in there because it can be overpowering, as most of you may know. But again, this is a real simple recipe, and I'll take you through step by step what to do. So you want to chop up the onion like so. You don't want to have too big of pieces in here. So unless you really like onion, but I don't think anybody would. So anyway, kind of like that. Well, what I did was I put some about a half a cup of canola oil in already, and I turned on the pot, so we're good there. Should be just about ready here to throw the onions in here, and you want to do that. You want to let them simmer a little bit, and you can hear that. And in the meantime, as that's going, what I did is you want to keep these, you want to brown them up a bit. For a little while. You don't want to overcook it because it doesn't taste good. So in the meantime, while that's going, I had bought some chopped up carrots, celery, and there's a little bit of onion in here. So I bought little mixes. So you want to pour that in right now with this. Obviously, you can chop them up yourself if you have carrots and celery and stuff like that, but this stuff was pretty much all over the place because it was Thanksgiving. So we mix all this together. And we want this to simmer for about, I'm going to say probably about 4 to 5 minutes on medium after you get it real hot. Again, you don't want to overcook this. Let that for a little bit. And you can turn it up if you want to. Get a good stop hot. So, what the ingredients are besides the onions, carrots, celery, canola oil is I got the free-range turkey broth, and this is 32 fluid ounces. So you're going to want to pour 2 of these in there when it's time, not time yet. And then what I did was I took the turkey and I chopped up the leftover turkey. So you'll see we'll have a lot of turkey. Cheers. Let's check on this too. So again, this is a real simple recipe. I really only do this once a year with leftover turkey because you don't cook big turkeys all the time. And I'm the type of person that I don't like to waste food. So, at least we could do this and have some leftovers after this. I like to freeze some things too, especially if you make it in batches, because if you want to take some out, take it to lunch with you or whatever. So this is cooking up nicely here. You just really want to get them soft. Let them simmer a little bit. Sauce in there, obviously stir it around. These will boil with the turkey broth. So, they'll keep cooking. So what we'll do here is let's go ahead now, and we're just going to pour these in. And of course, with the amount of turkey that you have left over, you might want to use one of these or whatever, how much liquid you have or desire versus how much turkey you have. But I think these 32 ounces are going to go really well. Perfect amount with the amount of chopped turkey that I have here. And I have about 3 solid cups of the chopped turkey. I didn't want to chop it too thin because everything will fall apart. But if you could see here, like I cut them in about maybe an inch, maybe a little less than an inch, but like this. So take the turkey that's already cooked, pour it in with all this, obviously. And then what you want to do is go ahead and mix it a little bit. And there's one ingredient that it always goes well with broth, and this is Parmesan shaker cheese. So I'm gonna probably put about a half a cup in here. It gives it more of a flavor. And you can go ahead and put everything in at once just like this. And you just stir it up a little bit, mix everything together. You want to keep it on medium. And then what we'll do is we will go ahead and cover this. And we'll keep it on medium for about 15 minutes. And then if you want to keep it warm until dinner's ready or whatever, but after about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, it should be ready to go. So this is my first episode. So I hope you enjoyed it. Again, very basic, and enjoy. Cheers. Have a great night.